Alright, now we are here in the sand area. Napakalambot ng lupa, parang kakainin niyo pa ako. Pero okay lang yan.
Picture me here.
It is for the experience.
So, ayan, magpapapicture.
So actually, wait lang. Gotta try something. Oh my god, it's wet. Ha?
Sweat. Picture mo na ako dito ba?
So, we will take another photo session for this lady. Oops. Oh.
Tinataas ko niyuyuko mo.
Right, so now, I'm going to try the water. Kung pwede. Sana pwede. So, yun o. Lambot sa paa. Basta na pa ako. So, napaka-relaxing dito. And at the same time, napaka-peaceful kasi nga, may tubig. Yung natural sound ng tubig nandito. So, I'm in the water already. Great experience here in Abu Dhabi. It is just for free nga pala ha. Walang bayad to dito. So, yun.